Enti Ojitum say MPP lost fairly and squarely because
we lost this election fairly and squarely because of our attitude.
And spiritual, said the Modena secretary.
No, His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo, he will go down as one of the best presidents this country ever had. Well, yeah, I'm telling you. But as I said, senior, San Crawford no amo G2 minutes. Amo ye 2 minutes or personal bona fide property no. They should bow down their head in shame. But I think that the MPP has gone through a certain cycle. We've learned a lot, even within the short time. We've learned so much to the extent that so ba bemwa to me no ye de ma wo mo a omo ye adwuma na omo nim party for me yesterday on a certain platforms energy sector, Ministry of Energy agencies e show mase me nyo twin ya do a etimodin for nko who doesn't help party.
Ekow asafo MP edema eyetafo ene ne mpatamu papa ya ba bonten ede nsem bia betu da na otimi hu ne se kasa wo kasa nina no kasa free ya wo o kasa free ani bremu ni ani eden so esan se na omu ni mu se bo mu party na wo mu eye MPP party no enkenya dia wo betimi elusu abato eto ne 70 na so sade animguase esika wo mu na wo mu timi reporto no kamia ye se eniema bi na ankoyi na wo de na de sira to Ghana fo anim no kana dwene e de kire se eniema wei no munti ene koso ene ma MPP reporto se kenya ne sade aka MPP betimi edinkunim e wa kwan bebre eso ya ba ko hwe video no ade aba na so ansa ne yekono na me kai wo sa ha too much so mesro afei no hu mi abe subscribe no like a share video no ade ama me e ma re so obebo bell ne so se be ya upload bi atoma wetumi na notification na won so etimi akoshe bi ya nje brandi ntie papa nsem wo mo kan ne ba ye be hu de ntie MPP report na wi no ekoma NDC.
We've appeared so nice and we've appeared so everything is okay.
Honorable Vincent, now before say you are
lot.
Solo
going forward no party for no party for no ebe ma ya botre ni asese party ni bi o ye young people na ewom no me ne kwakwamo and all the other young people, you do what is right to get the party to stand again. We have apologized to the people. We have pagan of watch, especially as Santamai, that whatever transpired they happened maybe at that time ni mu bi ye nsemu nye do anase ye mu nye do to be able to do or correct certain things, but this time we will not allow those things to happen. Yes, for us to build our party once again. Na MPP nyina hobiu. So that the love that they've had for the party since 1992, even before 1992, our master MPP Musa, they should do that for us. Yeah, my minimum more drum, my minimum more Kumasi, or more Ashanti region, or more deep party no yano, or more fancy. It is because the people who had the opportunity to be able to help, they are not really known. But they are the people who were really
wicked.
Have senior
also MP4 na mo name A4 no
SIC4 CEO assembly on some of our major platforms. No, I'm not that's what you're forget that, but I'm a lawyer. I understand that there's your friend say an agreement and a contract between SIC and herself. In fact, SIC is a public listed company, and so without the fact the government there will any full control, no, 40%. But of course, unilaterally, won't think I say what's a support. So I understand that legality, but I won't go there because until now, somebody should tell me what he did for this party.
Me could maintain the that.
And so no matter what, Obiano be calling Chakwa one city people will come to you now. What do when you maybe show say oh MP at all swaba. Then the bless and other people were enjoying at our expense.
And there's opposition you are more and said I'm happy because
senior, but senior, you see, because I'm a young person.
Every brother has a bless so much.
No, but we know that
party suffer sir. Now if we enjoy sir, and you said
it is okay.
Vincent, 1 second.
Me will see will be before my God that I serve, and the altar that I serve in the Catholic Church. And a CEO sacked me from the office because I was in an appointment as an MP.
What's it?
Yes.
What's it?
A CEO sacked me from the office. MP. I mean, your friend say appointment.
Oh, party.
I'm saying this.
Oh, party member. Or
I'm telling you.
Yes. Wouldn't in the appointment.
I'm telling you.
So leave his office.
Yes. Because they don't understand the party. I'm party for what to one year my party. Who I rather. It happened in front of the former finance director of the party, Collins.
Collins.
Go and ask. Collins is my witness.
Now,
really, when you offer say John Asebi, where we are for you in me.
And I say no.
I know for Nankasebi said,
I don't want the appointment as an hour.
No, for Nank Waka baby, na me for a free Tafuba office or parliament, and I withdrew for your mobile appointment.
So what is the way forward? Enti Ojitum say MPP lost fairly and squarely because
we lost this election fairly and squarely because of
and spiritual said the secretary.
No, His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. He will go down as one of the best presidents this country ever had. Well, yeah, I'm telling you. But as I said, senior, San Crofon no amoji 2 minutes. Amoye 2 minutes or personal bona fide property no. They should bow down their head in shame. No, they cannot me say position no say dem a wo breye. One farmer mo breye, they don't even know the people.
Now breye no want me adwuma na now here. But because adwuma no wo ya magana for you.
Tina dey adwuma.
Necessary what say me mitwe na de me titi. Mitwe de me kokotra energy ho no ma. Me breye. Nanso adwuma no me
mo scholarship secretary. You was just ask for J or your too experienced your sense Ghana's scholarship secretary to more education.
It only because of
sure say
only because of his only because of the competence, but or because of
he's a politician or you are boa party, no. He deserves to be whatever he is. That is the kind of reward the man.
So you blame it.
People MPP should learn from some of.
So you blame it on President Akufo-Addo.
Please, I'm not saying so. All that I'm saying is that there are some of the.
But he made the appointment.
There are some of the agencies he appointed Grandpa. He doesn't know anything about it. But what the man who we and why the man no, they now hear the boa party no. A trimodern failure to help party people. It's not only energy sector CEOs. The number of CEOs are almost office and it is almost personal bona fide property. I just some when you are crying few no down for anyway the number few. But you are forgotten says any partner oh yes a won't feel no. It's the same person bringing about 30,000 or 40,000 votes from his constituency. Yeah. The Busia for First Lady Busia for I mean, more party you'll find them. But their actions and inactions. And Mama Juma had to vote against us. Go to Tama Enclave. Even the international community, the Chinese, the Indians, and all those people had to campaign against this party because certain people are more power. And the power now Chinese more company number workers of about 800. I have been to some of them. Then the workers are called him said, "Don't na asante for catch us all now." We had to vote against you because of how you treated our boss.
Not just about expatriates now, and penny for now or more position.
Some penny
expatriate no. Or about 800 workers.
Yes.
It's indirectly. Who threaten 800 workers?
Show of patriotism. Show of national security. And then senior. Now we better cry sometimes. There are some of them I didn't see anyway. Until see a tour about ye and some of them ever to the fore. Some of these people arrogance. But I think that the MPP has gone through a certain cycle. We've learned a lot, even within the short time. We've learned so much to the extent that so ba bemwa to me no ye de ma wo mo a omo ye adwuma Now winning party for me yesterday on certain platforms. Energy sector, Ministry of Energy, agencies are show massive. Mean your train yadwa. A Chimodin phone who doesn't help party. Me fancy
energy.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, they are brought for the Google.
I'm telling you, they don't help the party. Boys now, woman now, mono could vote the ban. Vote office, senior no, why am I on politics that? And this is one freeway. No man resources. One man resources. I'm an uncle vote now, Mamma, one may see you are 7. None answer vote.
Do you
senior take your time? Let me stay there. Some of the CEOs are wicked. They are the reason MPP and Lusu Basa. Some of the CEOs, very wicked people who doesn't help the party. They have no. Your friend say Timampo at my party for. It's as if position your modia. When you need things, I would have party now.
Enti mekase
now patch your crop
and crying no tinano ye mo dedodwa. Am I right?
Senior.
Because me on call the constituency crown constituency
me say position no say dem a wo mo breye
ala for my sem wo ya papa edi tu dwa no honorable de na nsem atudwa wa wo hwe me wa wo tie mi ebe ya no kore anasa enya no kore se de MPP bi poto no ebetumi abasa nsem wo papa eken enu nti ena ma wo mo we ya anasa MPP fo ana anya omu homu akiye ena ma we ne bae akwena ne wo so on the comment section ase bɛkyerɛ wadwene ne ntena sam no so ne mpense aha yɛ too much GHS so ɛbrɛ bɛ mu yɛbɛsan so ɛne mo hyi dwa so hema ɛna megye so makra